Hey guys, it's Tyler with Sheetgo. Here's a quick video on how to use our add-on. So to install, you'll come to the top, click Add-ons, Sheetgo, Start, and it will install on the right side of the page. So here we need to add our first connection, and we'll need to select some files. So in this case, let's choose Get Started. Okay, and in this tab, I will have leads. If now I want to consolidate and add more connections, I can do that right here. In our settings, we can also change the name. It's given SG connection. Let's change this one to Office Leads. Okay, and we'll save the connection. All of our new connections will be saved and created as a new tab at the bottom of our page here. Great, so now it's labeled Office Leads and everything is all connected here. Now if we want to, also from here we can add this to a workflow. So anytime that you're creating new connections, we can make a workflow. For example, we can make it for each different department can have a new workflow. So right now we don't have any, so we'll make this one Office Workflow. All right, then we'll add that. Now to view our workflow, we'll come to our web app here. So this will bring you directly to the web app. When you click on it, you can see your workflows. So we looked for Office Workflow, and we get a network view of what we just created. So here was our first connection that we made here and getting started. So this is our master sheet, and here's our input sheet. Okay, so from here we can also schedule some updates and run our workflows. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out in the community. You can contact us directly through this question mark here. And you can also look at our other YouTube tutorials if you need some more help.